Welcome everyone. This is Sherry Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com with the card kit reveal and inspiration of our November card kit, and this one's called Woodland Whimsy. I'll start you off with a 6x8 stamp set, also called Woodland Whimsy, and at the top it has a curved banner and curved messages that you can put together to create your own message. It has some whimsical animals along with some birch trees, leaves, and flowers that you can put together to create a scene. Along with this stamp set, we are also including a sheet of the Gina K masking paper. This can be used to stamp on and then cut out your images so that you can create a scene really easily by masking and layering some of those images together. Another fun item for this kit is the Ho Deer Circle, and this is a wafer thin die, and I've cut one out with some white paper so you can see how cute that is once it cuts out. We are also including some red pom-poms in this kit, and this would be fun to add a pom-pom to the nose to create a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We've also included a 12-pack of Susie Plantamera watercolor cards, and this is called Winter Thanks. They all have an outdoor type theme and also a thankful type greeting. They're all animals or snowmen, and there's also a little girl that's just adorable with the little snowflakes and some really nice winter themed cards. Remember that these are printed on Tim Holtz watercolor cardstock, so they're nice and durable. You can use either your watercolors or Copic markers to color these in. To go with your watercolor cards, we've also included a set of watercolors. There are 21 bright colors in this kit. And we've also included 2 tiny sponge tip brushes to get into some of those small areas of your cards. The pattern papers this month come from Scrap, and this is for Evergreen. They are 6x6-inch papers, 12 of those included, and they are single-sided sheets. So they all have an outdoorsy green or woodland type feel to them. Some of them are very light printed, and I'll try to show this a little bit closer. These are little stars. There's also some patterns that are on a nice beige and a couple of those wood grains. Since they all go really well together, they're perfect for layering onto your cards. And finally, we have 4 cardstocks. This first one is Fog, Ivory, and Green Leaf from Simon Says Stamp. And then our last one is a Desert Storm 80-pound cardstock. So that wraps up the contents of our Woodland Whimsy card kit for November 2019. And up next, I have some inspiration using some of the contents from this kit. I've created a card using a combination of the watercolor cards and also the stamped image. So I have stamped the deer on a separate piece of watercolor cardstock and watercolored that, and then created some snowbanks out of paper, and then put the deer in between so it has a little bit of dimension. Nina Trapani did a no-line watercolor using all stamped images, so she has the bear sitting with a banner below and then some falling leaves around. And Crystal Thompson made this sweet card where she has all of her little animals around, creating a frame with her message in the center, and she colored those with Copic markers. And finally, Cindy Norburg created this scene with those birch trees in the back, and it's a night sky with her little bear holding a bouquet of flowers. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough and inspiration of our card kit, Woodland Whimsy. Be sure to check the description box below for links to the product and also to our blog, which will have additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.